Sitting in the rain is not my specialty. In the past, I have only a few watercolor works demonstrating the raining scene. I think the most difficult area of a raining scene is the ground. The key is how you interpret the reality as well as the creation of your art. I always opine that a watercolor works is fighting for the balance between the real situation and the creation of your own. For this particular composition, I think the focal point is the car moving in the rain. If I paint these cars too flat, I think it's no movement you will feel. So, to give the cars a certain control of water is the goal I have to fight for. When I completed this painting, after 1 hour, I look at it again and I feel the ground is too bright. So I made it a little bit darker.